to Draw with Bee today. We are drawing a lion and I've got my special lion pen. It is a Legami pen. I will put some links in the description for this pen and where to find them. You can find them in Australia at Officeworks. So let's get started on this cute lion. I've drawn the first bit up the top and his two ears. Then we're going to bring a nice big curved line all the way around, joining the two ears together and joining him down the bottom here. Fantastic. Next, I'm going to draw this little guy's nose. So bring it down to a point at the end here and make it nice and round at the top. Then I'm going to do a circle that goes from the nose all the way down to his chin. Then what I'm going to do next is his mouth. So two little curved lines just like this, and then do a nice smiley mouth underneath. Fabulous. Next, what I'm going to do for this little guy is just fix up that nose at the top, make it a little bit bigger. Next, I'm going to do two little eyebrows and two beautiful round eyes. This lion's going to look so cute once we're finished. I bet yours is looking fantastic too. Next, what I'm going to do is draw the insides of his ears. Just like that. You can make them all the way around. I think I'm going to do them all the way around there. And then next, I'm going to start on this guy's mane, and that's the most exciting bit. So I'm going to make them big, nice, jagged edges all the way down. You can make this look however you like. I'm going to bring the bottom bit down to a point. So bring it down here, and then do some more nice jagged lines going all the way around the rest of his face. Wonderful. Bring the last bit up and around over here. Nice and curved. Make it look uneven on each side because a lion's mane is never the same on both sides. Next, what I'm going to do for this fabulous lion is draw the reflection dots in his eyes. So one here, one here. Fabulous. Next, I'm going to start on this guy's body. So we're going to do two legs at the front. So one here, one here. So bring one line down there, other one down there. Then what I'm going to do is bring his foot out. So nice curved bit at the end here, and then do the other line to the inside of the leg, just here. Wonderful. Bring it around, do the same on the other side. So bring another line down, flick it out to the edge to do his nice little toes and his foot. Wonderful. Bring a line joining the two in the middle here, and then do the back legs. So nice curve either side. Bring it down, and then do the other foot at the back here. Two little toes. Bring that up and around, and then do the little foot on the other side. Two toes. Last bit we're going to do for this amazing lion is his tail, but first I'm going to do the front part of his body here. Fix all that up. Do some nice lines. Fix all that bit up. Do some little nice jagged lines here in the middle. That's going to be the front of his chest. When we colour it in, it will look amazing. Some more little jagged lines. Last part, do his tail. Nice big curly line up. Do the other one joining all the way back down behind his leg. And then the end bit of his tail, which is nice and furry. Wonderful. I'm going to colour this guy in, make him look amazing, go over him with marker. I hope you have fun colouring him in. I'm going to fast forward it, and I'll see you back soon.